Atul, you've got a pretty interesting perspective being at USP. What are your initial thoughts today?
I believe that continuous manufacturing, as it has been adopted in the pharma world, it's been around for about 20 years. Back in the day when we used to be experimenting with things in the laboratories, um, and it saw a lot of interest a few years ago, a lot of new lines getting sold and such. And then there was a little bit of a dip in the hype. And we saw while some of the large pharma companies continued on with those efforts and they reaped the benefits later, but some of them gave up midway and then later on they came back on and they have started continuous manufacturing programs again. So now we see with the ICHQ 13 coming on and a lot of new technologies becoming more mainstream, we do see that the adoption is kicking up really fast. Sometimes we attribute everything to COVID, but it may not necessarily be just that. So we do see an uptick, and we do see a lot of interest in companies that have never done continuous